Hilsey, hi.
Hi, Cosman.
Hilsey, can we talk about water and electricity? I'd like to find out where all this is coming from in our homes.
Of course. As a doctor, I'm always interested in knowing what's helpful to people. What do you know about water?
I recently Googled that on average 70% of a human being consists of water.
Yeah, well, we're practically water. I know that water can be in 3 states: solid ice, liquid water, and gaseous steam, and that all living things cannot do without water, neither animals nor plants.
I'm a little thirsty. That source of all life. It cheered me up.
By the way, there's not enough fresh water in the world to drink, so it's very important to keep it safe. The rest of the water is salty and not drinkable.
That's right, in the sea. Let's do the sink, not sink experiment.
Come on!
We need to make 2 glasses of water, salt, and a raw fresh egg. Add 2 spoons of salt to the first cup and nothing to the second one. Put the eggs in both glasses. What do you see? Yeah, that's right. The egg floats in the first glass and sinks in the second one. It's all because of the different water densities. That's why it's easier to swim in salt water than fresh water.
Fun! Well, how does it get into your house?
The water starts its journey to us in a reservoir. There's a pumping station on the shore with huge pumps. From there, water is sent from the pumping station to a water treatment facility through kilometers of piping. Then it comes through your faucets into your house. People always try to build cities on the banks of bodies of water so as to have easy access to a water source. The first water supply system, as we know it, appeared in ancient Rome. It was called the aqueduct.
As far as I know, the first water supply system made of wooden pipes appeared in 11th century AD in Novgorod. In the 20th century, the pipeline was made of copper. Yeah, the copper that was used to make money. At the time, they were the most reliable. And now we even use plastic pipes.
In general, today we use water in a variety of areas. It's even used to produce electricity. Huge hydroelectric power plants are being built for this purpose. There, water flows under high pressure to the blades of the hydraulic turbine, which power generators that produce electricity.
And what is electricity?
It is a flow of charged particles moving along the wires. When they move into an outlet, and from there, into an electric kettle, as you turn on the heating element, the water boils and you can drink tea.
What about the electricity going into the socket?
For this purpose, there are thermal, nuclear, coal, water, hydroelectric, wind, and solar power plants which create electricity through special mechanisms.
But thermal power plants are very polluting.
Exactly. Therefore, people are trying to use renewable energy sources such as water, wind, and sun to create electricity. Then, electricity goes from the power plants through the high voltage wires to the transformer structures near the house, which lowers the voltage, and from there, directly to us by way of our electrical outlets, and from there, to the monitor on which you watch this video.
In addition to the electrical outlet, we can find electricity in nature. There are even electric animals, electric eel or electric stingray. When it rains, you can see lightning, which is also electricity.
For example, if you rub the balloon against your head, you'll also get an electric charge that allows you to hang the balloon on the ceiling. Try it.
That's right. Or when you quickly take off your jacket in a dark room, you may notice sparks.
Whoa! How do you catch the electricity and get it to light up your room?
One of the first to succeed in this was Thomas Edison. It was he who, in 1879, invented the world's first electric light bulb, which we use to this day. However, modern scientists have finalized his invention, and it began to shine brighter and consume less electricity. An example is an LED light bulb. It's also installed on mobile phones as a flash or flashlight.
I read that in addition to its brightness and economy, it works several times longer than other light bulbs. All this is good for the environment because we are not wasting our planet's resources.
What an educational day today!
I agree.
Do you want to know more about power plants and energy, the water cycle and nature, and the intelligent use of our Earth's resources?
Then keep watching our lessons and we will help our planet thrive together. See you
See
soon!
you soon!